G'day mates, I'm Pancake Experience and my assistant Hans here. Right now, we are in the backyard of a spotted dog, the rarest of them all. This dog is so dangerous that you cannot even get close to it without being blinded by its spots. This dog is so dangerous that today we will be using this innocent child as bait. If anything bad were to happen, this innocent child will get the kill. It will be killed by this rare dog. Now, let's go on the move to find the spotted dog. Let me add that my assistant Hans here is the best assistant ever. If you are ever going on an expedition, you should always have an assistant with you at all times to capture the moments, capture the notes, write down the notes, and to also get a view of everything you're viewing, as Hans is doing right now. We found the spotted dog. Now, you always must wear safety glasses around these dogs. When they breathe around you, these gases, venomous gases come into the air and you might die. Always bring something with you so that you can hit them, if they get too crazy. Where's the bait, Hans? Where's the bait? Look at that dog's trumpets. Look at that dog's trumpets. It's eating on a piece of meat. A piece of raw meat. That's what the dog is eating. A piece of raw meat. Hans, take these notes. Take these notes down. I'll hold the child. Take down the notes, Hans. Take down the notes. It's getting closer. It's getting closer. Hans. The dog is awakening from its sleep. Hans! What are you writing? What are you writing, Hans? Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is not notes. This, Hans, is the type of assistant you don't need on such an expedition like this one. This is garbage. This is pure garbage. Look at this. A Barbie notepad. This is a grown man using a Barbie notepad. Not good. Hans, get up. Get up. Get your bags, Hans. Get your bags. Sorry for the delay, ladies and gentlemen. Now back to the spotted dog. Pick up your pen, Hans! Pick up your pen! We're going to try to touch the dog. Never try this at home. Hans, get your video camera out. We must videotape this. There appears to be no recollection of the bat in front of the dog's face, which is a good sign. It's distracted. Never try this at home. It's got sight of me. The dog is remaining very uncommonly calm. Look at it, it's foaming! It's foaming, it must have rabies! Stand back! Stand back! Stand back! Stand back! Zoom in on the foaming, Hans! Zoom in on the foaming! It is foaming at the mouth. It is foaming at the mouth. I've got to get a sample of this foam to test it back at the labs. Back at the labs! Oh, I got it! Put this in the container, Hans! Put this in... This is reason number one why you wear safety glasses. That those rabies came into your eyes, you'd be dead. You would be dead. Dead. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Now remember, never try this at home. Have a good day.